Our next award tonight is about Sports Illustrated India's award for Domestic Performance of the Year to the 2010-2011 Ranji Trophy champions from Rajasthan. I'd like to request Vijay Bhardwaj, former India cricketer, Ranji champion and domestic legend, to present the award to Mr. Sanjay Deekshit of the Rajasthan Cricket Association. Our next award tonight goes to a young kid with a big achievement. 498 is usually the number of runs an entire team makes. But our next awardee made those many runs all by himself in one innings. What makes his achievement extra special is that he's only 13 years old. Ladies and gentlemen, IDEA presents Sports Illustrated Sports Kid of the Year. And I'd like to request another man who stormed into our lives 10 years ago in Nairobi, Yuvraj Singh, to give away the award to Arman Jafar for his record-breaking 498 in the Giles Shield in December last year. Ladies and gentlemen, let's hear it for Yuvraj Singh. So Yuvraj, if you were looking at this young kid, what would be your advice to these young budding cricketers?
I think next time you should score 500. That will be my advice. I was asking him कि 498 पे out कैसे हुआ? He was like slip में. I said I'm very impressed with the opposition captain. Got you out 498 in slips.
And
Well done. Congratulations. Score big, be hungry, and good luck for the future.
speaking of hunger, Yuvraj, you're looking fit, raring to go. You know, this is fantastic. This is bad news for the opposition, great news for Indian fans.
Yeah, I mean, looking at his score 498, I couldn't get those many runs last year myself in total. So hopefully this year looking fit and maybe can do the job in the World Cup.
It gives me great pleasure to announce that the IDEA Sports Illustrated Surprise Package of the Year award goes to a 20-year-old man from Allahabad, Ashish Kumar, who won a silver and bronze at the Commonwealth Games. And to prove that it was no fluke, followed this up with a bronze in the Asian Games in Guangzhou, where he took on the mighty Chinese. India's first gymnastics award in India. Let's hear a warmer round of applause, please. Our next award is for Young Player of the Year. Goes to Vikas Krishan. And can we invite Somdev Dev Burman to give away this award? Can we raise a warm round of applause for him, please? आप ये मुझे बताइए कि भिवानी से ही हमारे सारे बॉक्सेस क्यों आते हैं?
पता नहीं सर, ये बात मेरे कोच ही से पूछिए, मुझे कुछ नहीं पता। मैं भिवानी से आया हूँ, मुझे लगता है कि बच्चों के अंदर कुछ करने का जज्बा, इसलिए भिवानी से आते हैं।
तो आपने क्यों सोचा, आपने किसको देख के सोचा कि आपको बॉक्सर बनना है?
नहीं, उस टाइम तक मुझे सोच नहीं थी। मैं 11 साल का था और अभी तो सोच हो गया। अभी मैं क्रिकेट खेलना चाहता हूँ, लेकिन अभी मैं चेज नहीं कर सकता।
नहीं नहीं, पर आप इतना अच्छा कर रहे हैं बॉक्सिंग में, आप क्रिकेट क्यों खेलना चाहते हैं?
नहीं सर, जैसे क्रिकेट का क्रेज देखा इंडिया में, बॉक्सिंग का क्रेज के सामने कुछ नहीं है। और के बॉक्सिंग का क्रेज भी क्रिकेट के क्रेज से बराबर हो जाए।
पर बन रहा है। विजेंदर के बाद, अखिल के बाद बॉक्सिंग में भी क्रेज आ रहा है। हम नहीं चाहते कि आप बॉक्सिंग छोड़ के क्रिकेट में जाए।
नहीं, फिर भी क्रेज आने में टाइम लग गया, इतना मेरी उम्र निकल जाएगी।
He's one of the nicest men in Indian cricket and also one of the most underestimated. Pepsi presents Sportsperson of the Year award for Game Changer of the Year. And this award goes to VVS Lakshman for his series-defining knocks in Mohali against Australia and Durban against the South Africans. Lakshman is away on holiday with his family ahead of his wedding anniversary and is unable to accept this in person, but we caught up with him before he left. Take a look at this.
Yeah, right from the start of my career, I always relished to perform in pressure situation, and again in all these 3 test matches in Sri Lanka, then against Australia in Mohali and in Durban against South Africa, I got an opportunity to do something special for the team. and luckily I've delivered on all the three occasions.
Each and every time, VVS Lakshman somehow miraculously pulled India out of the abyss. Our next award is the Sports Illustrated Editor's Choice Award, and I'd like to invite Kadambari back on the stage for this award.
Thank you, Rahul. Just on the topic of weddings, because it was Lakshman's wedding anniversary coming up, we have one more awardee accepting on camera, Olympic medalist, world champion, Sushil Kumar. Sushil is getting married next week, so he sent his regrets, but he said thank you, take a look.
एडिटर अवार्ड आप लोगों ने दिया है उसके लिए मैं धन्यवाद करना चाहूँगा, जूरी का धन्यवाद करना चाहूँगा। और ये अवार्ड मैं खुद कलेक्ट नहीं कर पा रहा हूँ क्योंकि प्रैक्टिस रीज़न है और जो कोचेज़ का शेड्यूल है वो फॉलो करना पड़ रहा है मेरे को। और आगे जो वर्ल्ड चैम्पियनशिप है, लंदन ओलंपिक है, तो उनकी तैयारियों में के लिए जो शेड्यूल बना है उनको फॉलो कर रहा हूँ, इसीलिए मैं ये अवार्ड नहीं ले पा रहा हूँ। तो आप सभी से मैं यहाँ नहीं पहुँच पा रहा हूँ, तो इसके लिए मैं सॉरी करना चाहूँगा आप सभी से। और आगे जो भी टूर्नामेंट होंगे तो देश के लिए और मेडल जीतने की कोशिश करूँगा।
I'd now like to invite Piyush Sharma, CEO of Media Trans Asia, up on stage. And our next award is to recognize the achievement of 4 women who beat the best of Asia, including the mighty Chinese. For the sporting moment of the year goes to Mandeep Kaur, Manjeet Kaur, Sini Jose, and Karnataka's own Ashwini Akhanji. Can I invite Ashwini to come up on the stage, please? For excellence in the promotion of sport. And this award is being given to a group that set up the Mumbai Indians in the Indian Premier League, but did not just stop at that. They put their money in a 15-year, 150 million rupee deal with the All India Football Federation. The award for Idea Outstanding Contribution to Sport is presented to Reliance Industries Limited, Mrs. Neeta Ambani, who is the face of RIL Sporting Ventures.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. It's indeed an honor for Mrs. Neeta Ambani. Therefore, I thank Sports Illustrated for recognizing her passion and contribution in this field of sport. And on our behalf, I accept this award with great pleasure. Thank you.
At the world stage, in the Commonwealth Games and in the Asian Games, Indian boxers have done us proud. And so we'd like to present the Idea Sports Illustrated Sports Administrator of the Year Award to the General Secretary of the Indian Boxing Federation, Colonel Muralidhar Raju. Ladies and gentlemen, put a warm round of applause for the future of Indian tennis, Somdev Devbarman. And to present the Idea Sports Illustrated Sportsperson of the Year Award, I'd like to invite Virendra Sehwag to the stage, please, to present this award, and also Mr. Muralidharan, Senior Manager at Herbalife,